Do you know the purpose of the RMF? Do you know the difference between security controls and privacy controls? Do you know about the security and privacy posture of your system? That's what this lesson is all about. Join us for more. In this module, we'll cover the RMF security and privacy posture. The purpose of the RMF is to help ensure that throughout the SDLC, or System or Software Development Lifecycle, information systems, organizations, and individuals are adequately protected, and that the authorizing officials have the important needed information to make credible, risk-based decisions regarding the operational use, and that the authorizing officials have the information needed to make credible, risk-based decisions regarding the operation or use of information systems or the provision of common controls. A key aspect of risk-based decision-making for authorizing officials is understanding the security and privacy posture of information systems and the common controls that are available for inheritance by those systems. In essence, we need to make sure that the AO, or the authorizing official, fully understands the risk that will be applied to the organization if an information system or a common control set is put into full operation or placed on the organization's network. It may be that a system increases the risk of the organization to an unacceptable level, and therefore the authorizing official needs to know that information so that they can make the correct risk-based decision. On the other hand, a system may introduce risk, but not to an unacceptable level. Again, the authorizing official needs to know that information. The security and privacy posture represents the status of the information systems and the resources within an organization based on the information assurance resources and the capabilities in place to manage the defense of the organization in its operation or use of systems. The security and privacy posture represents the status of information systems and information resources within an organization based on the information assurance resources and the capabilities in place to manage the defense of the organization in its operation or use of systems. They must comply with the applicable privacy requirements and manage privacy risks and react to situation changes. It's important that we put the security and privacy posture requirements into the development of the system. This ensures that the defense of organizational assets is ingrained in the development of the system. The security and privacy posture of information systems and organizations is determined on an ongoing basis by assessing and continuously monitoring system-specific, hybrid, and common controls. We will talk about continuous monitoring in depth in this course. We developed the strategy for continuous monitoring early, and when we hit the final step of the RMF, the system enters operation and maintenance, and at that point, controls are continuously monitored based on the schedule developed by the system owner and approved by the authorizing official. The control assessments and monitoring activities provide the evidence that the controls selected by the organization are implemented correctly, operating as intended, and satisfying the security and privacy requirements in response to laws, executive orders, regulations, directives, policies, standards, or mission and business requirements. We want to make sure that our security controls and our privacy controls are not only functioning when they're implemented and initially assessed, but also that they're functioning over the life cycle of the system, providing the correct protections to the organization's information, the organization, and the information system. Authorizing officials use the security and privacy posture to determine if the risk to the organizational operations and assets, individuals, other organization, or the nation are acceptable based on the organization's risk management strategy and the organizational risk tolerance. So the AO will determine that if implementing this information system or common control set moves the organizational risk level to a point outside risk tolerance. In closing, this topic covered the following items: the purpose of the RMF and security and privacy postures. If these concepts don't make sense to you, I suggest you go back and watch this video or parts of this video again, and we'll see you in the next video.